With TechNewsZone.com, coming to you February the 6th, 2019. I ran into Gosun at CES. They initially sent us a Gosun solar-powered flashlight. Being that I work in the solar industry, that's cool. And then also you can use it as a charger. So if you're somewhere and your device needs to be charged, so you have a flashlight and a solar-powered charger as well. So that's pretty cool. So use more sun. And then this is a Gosun mini breakthrough solar oven. They have a bigger one too, which we're supposedly getting a Fusion in a few months, but this is the little wee one. It's a oven, no fuel needed, and it cooks. This one is a small one, like for portable to take camping and things like that. They make bigger ones as well. Hopefully we'll get a bigger one at some point, but this one's a little mini one. Kind of do this one hand because I'm doing this, but so this is the Gosun breakthrough solar oven. I ran into them at CES. They gave us this one to mess with. You can bake in it, boil, fry, steam, and roast. So you can bake in it too. So you want to like bake bread or something, you can do that as well. Let's see if I have it. If it's open. It is open. I thought I had it. Yes, your fingers can be used as a box opener. But our puppy is watching me. We just got a pug puppy. But this is David with TechNewsZone.com. I'm a tech blogger, science teacher in training. This might be cool to show in class if I get my class. I sell solar, I sell windows, and I sell doors. If I'm more entertaining, trying to watch me open this. I'll come back. This is part one, the solar powered oven. It shows little details on the back. There's a case, there's a vacuum tube, there's a cooking tray, cap for boiling mode, Gosun cooking pans, and a scrubby brush for cleaning. And it's fuel free, it doesn't use any fuel, runs off the sun. It's versatile and it's safe and easy, but we'll mess with it and we'll come back.